Welcome to the Innovation Talk series by Infosys Finacle. Today we are joined by Australian Military Bank, recognised at the Infosys Finacle Innovation Awards for the innovation around open banking. It gives me great pleasure to invite Enis Huseyin, Chief Information Officer, Australian Military Bank. Welcome Enis, congratulations again on being recognised for this award. Let me start this discussion by requesting you to tell us about your bank and yourself for our audience.
Thanks, Theo. Great to be here. The Australian Military Bank is a small niche bank located in Australia. We've been around since 1959, supporting the defence community and their families. We also have 25 branches all around Australia, serving about 60,000 members. The bank's vision is to be the leading choice in banking for the defence community. I joined the Australian Military Bank in 2017 to assist the bank with its digital transformation journey from a legacy core banking system to a SaaS Finacle cloud implementation. I have over 17 years experience in information technology and banking operations within Australia, having previously held numerous senior management roles within the banking industry.
Thank you very much, Enis. Now, based on the current situation, how do you see banking in Australia shaping up?
Banking in Australia is changing at a rapid pace. In the last couple of years, we have implemented the new payments platform to facilitate real-time payments and transfers between accounts in Australia. And just recently, we have implemented open banking to provide customers access to their banking data and allowing them to share this data with accredited third parties of their choice. While the Australian banking landscape is rapidly changing and provides clear benefits to banks and consumers, it also poses a significant challenges as many banks still rely on legacy core banking systems that have been in place for decades. And these systems are usually difficult to change and integrate with other systems. It is now essential to have a modern core banking system that is open and adaptable and allows for easy integration that will future-proof business agility.
Thank you very much, Enis. Next question is, when you decided to adopt cloud as a foundation for your business transformation, what drivers led you to make this decision and what results did you gain from it?
There were many benefits to moving our workloads to the cloud. Some of the important ones were interconnectivity between cloud providers or systems is essential, and leveraging an open API system allows for easier integration across the cloud stack and applications we choose to utilize. Also considering security and data location, ensuring you know where your data is being stored and what controls are in place to protect the data while complying with any regulatory requirements. Scalability is also important, which allows the bank to scale up or down based on demand and allowing for flexibility for change. By utilizing cloud resources, it allows us to continue to operate the bank and provide the best level of service and offering to our members and not having to maintain all the costly infrastructure that would be required to run the bank. Or also reducing IT costs by utilising a pay-per-use model based on consumption of services rather than purchasing costly infrastructure and having to hire skilled resources to maintain all the systems. Ensuring there is also access to seamless automatic updates across all the services, as this allows for rapid adoption of new features and fixes being released with minimal downtime for our members.
Thank you very much, Enis. That's very insightful. About your current initiative around open banking, while it started as a compliance to CDR regulations, your bank has turned this into an excellent opportunity. Please tell us more. How did you go about this?
By embracing open banking, we have been able to allow our members to share their banking data and utilise services from other third parties without the bank performing any bespoke development work to support these integrations, as all these integrations will leverage through the open banking interface. Our members now have choice on using different external products and services while still using our bank. This provides a low-cost entry model for the bank to help support the open data sharing ecosystem around the open banking. The bank is now exploring other use cases like income and expense verification as part of a loan assessment by using the data provided through open banking to reduce the friction with applying for a loan.
Thank you very much, Enis. What is the journey from here? How do you see the open banking landscape unfolds from here? And is there further opportunities to commercialize or turn it into further opportunities for you?
We have seen several fintechs introducing new innovations using open banking data. For example, account aggregation services that allows consumers to link all their bank accounts from numerous banks and create a single view for aggregation dashboards, transaction listings, and spend analysis. This removes the need for having to log into each bank to view your accounts. As we have seen with other implementations overseas with open banking, it will take several years for open banking to be a mainstream for most Australians to have used it.
Thank you very much, Enis. Finally, tell us about the partnership with Infosys Finacle and what has your experience been to date?
Partnering with Infosys Finacle has allowed the bank to develop and integrate the Finacle banking platform across a complex banking landscape in Australia, while utilising API-first integrations with our partners to provide a seamless banking experience for our members.
Thank you for your insightful discussion. I'm sure this will be of significant value to our audience. To our audience, thank you for joining us today, and I would urge you to watch out for other Innovation Talk series events that's available on Finacle social channels. Thank you again, and till we meet again. Thanks, bye.
Thank you.